Narendra Modi, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, born on 17 September 1950, is an Indian politician who has served as the Prime Minister of India since 2014. Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. Modi's performance reflected in many awards his government received from both national and international media. Sri Narendra Modi as India's Prime Minister brings with his a rich and hand-on experience on one of India's most successful Chief Minister, one of its keenest of administrators. Friends, I will discuss Narendra Modi net worth evaluation since age-wise. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 7 in 0 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 8 in 0 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation of 12 in 0 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 16 for 0 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 18 for 0 rupees. Narendra Modi worth evaluation in age 20 for 0 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 22 from 2.5 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 26 in 10. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 27 from 50 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 28 60 rupees. Narendra Modi net evaluation from age 30 in 80. Narendra Modi for evaluation in age 33 in 100 rupees. Narendra Modi for net worth evaluation in age 34 in 150 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from age 35 in 200 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 36 in 275 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 37 in 350 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 38 in 500 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation from 9 age in 600 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 40 in 800 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in 41 age in 1000 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 43 200 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 45 in 10,000 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 47 in 40,000 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 49 in 70,000 rupees. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 51 in 38 lakhs. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 53 1.14 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 55 1.90 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation in age 57 2.66 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 59 in 3.42 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 61 4.18 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 63 in 4.95 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 65 5.35 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 67 5.75 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 69 6.15 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 71 in 6.55 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age 73 in 7.15 crore. Narendra Modi net worth evaluation for age in 74 7.5 crore.